Well, hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope everybody have a good day or morning. And this video is about Iceriver new product here. So besides, which is kind of weird, Al3 is just got listed here on the website today, even though it was available for sale, like you could buy it through the other vendors, but I didn't see it yesterday. I don't know if I missed it, but Al2 Lite came in with the 2 terahashes. Basically, 5 machines, 5 Al0 because Al0 no longer anywhere here. So we still have Ultra here available for $129, but also Ks2 Lite, which is 5 Ultras, right, for $499. So basically, just killing this price altogether, you could just get 5 units in the small unit, and you don't have like bunch of these machines running around. I don't know how hot this unit's gonna be. It looks kind of cool and slim, like a little speaker sort of speaks, so it doesn't have this large, I don't know how loud it could be, but anyways, it looks kind of cool to me. For the home miner, probably because it's only 500 watts. And then Al3 here, 3500 watts, obviously, so it's a lot larger unit. Now, for the Ks2 Lite, I guess if you're looking for 5 Ultras, it would make sense, because for $499, you would probably not gonna pay tariff fees or those custom fees. Where on Al2, there possibility, yes, you could probably get 25% here and 25% on Al3. Hit with the customs here, right? So be very careful if you're ordering this directly on Iceriver, because they will include full price, and you end up paying an extra like $2,500 probably on this unit, and about $300 on this unit, where Ks2 Lite is $499. Now, will it break even ever? Probably not on Caspa, and again, we don't know. Lithium may not. It's kind of having similar scenario, even maybe worse, because the hash rate is growing super fast. So let's look at my calculation here real quick. So let's go back. I'm gonna zoom in just on this. First, let's do for comparison for Caspa Ks2 Lite, right? So we have several units there. We have Bitman KS5s, KS5 Pro. This is just the regular Ks5, just that I wanted to compare. So you can get a look at the price per gigahash right there. So the Ks5 Pro is 14 cents and Ks5 is 13 cents per gigahash. So that's still the cheapest units. However, it will be delivered only from October to November 15, which probably closer to November 15, some months later, where the Lite will be October, I believe, to October 30th, right? So between October 15th and October 30th. So let's just put 30th, because that's probably what you're gonna get there. And also, if you get Ks5L or Ks5M, the price 17 and 22 cents per gigahash, which is getting pretty close, but still Bitman gonna beat you for that price by 6 cents. Anyway, it's for Ks5M a little more expensive, but Ks5L 17 cents, very close to Ks5. So the question about ROI is kind of right now is there probably none of this unit gonna ROI even Ks2 Lite, unless the Caspa price appreciate like 4 or 5 times in the next bull run, right? At that point, makes more sense to get Caspa anyway. But take a look at the 25 cents, so it's pretty much to Ks5M, close to Ks5M large unit, right? The price per gigahash. Now the efficiency, though, it's lower that Ks5M does. See, like Ks5M doing 3300 watts. Yeah, I have like 32, but it's immersion, so and similar to Ks5L, the wattage, but efficiency per gigahash, you are getting a little bit better than Ks5L, which is pretty cool. You could get roughly you need to get of 500 2000 terahash, 6 units, right? You need to buy 6 units in order to get 12 terahash or 12,000 gigahash. Now 6 unit gonna cost you $3,000, which is price for KS5M, and you better on efficiency, and the price wise obviously will be on the KS5M at that point, but you know, it's hard to see. But KS Pro is definitely, KS5 Pro and KS5 are best on the price point and best in efficiency right now on the market, even though it's gonna take an extra month, and we know how crazy is right now the CASPA emission schedule still going on, but the network, it's even crazier, right? So let's take a look what we have right now. We already at 1 over 1.5, yeah, 1 exahash and 54 petahash, 1054 petahash. So it's still well, it's kind of dropped a little bit there, here and there, but it's still kind of over 1 exahash. Now emission schedule coming over, so that's going to be another trader, right? So we're gonna lose the hash rate. So again, I don't know, it's a new unit, looks kind of cool, just maybe for a test, but 499. Let's just take a look at hash rate.no. I don't think they even here yet, are they? Let's just check. Yeah, we don't even have them here probably. They're not listed yet on hash rate, but we can check compare to, okay, so 2 terahashes are 2 KS. Is that like KS2? I don't even remember if this was even close. Oh. Doesn't even show. 2 terahash, yeah, so it's Ks2, but Ks2 Lite uses less power by 1.5 times, right? So you'll be doing roughly between $2 and $3. So let's say $3 a day, that's like $90 a month, minus power 500 watts. So think about it. It's not too bad. $3, yeah, $3 here. It's a nice hash. I was looking $3 for 500 watt power. It's gonna be probably close to break even, because it will be probably $3, right, or $2, depending on what power, what electrical cost you are. So let's, if we remove, let's say if I put 3 times less, 0.2 cents. Yeah, roughly $2 after power. A day, that's $60 a month. 10 months, it could ROI potentially. Well, CASPA emission schedule 5.6%. So you will reduce every single month really, really quickly. So it's probably gonna take a year with today CASPA price to ROI, which is still good, I think, for the little miners. But we never know how quickly the hash rate gonna grow further, because of that pricing on the new KS5s. Units are so significantly lower. For Al2 Lite, let's take a look at this monster and see what is this compared to Al3 now for $10.99, right? So let's go back to my sheet here and let's look at the Al miners. So we have Al3 now, $10.999. So let's compare to the price per gigahash. So Al2 has a greater cost, a better price. It's 65 cents per gigahash, so which is really, really nice, right? It's 65 here, so you could see there. and 73 cents for Al3. So Al3 is still more expensive per gigahash. Now, it is more efficient. It's 4.29 gigahash doing per watt, where the Al2 Lite, is it Al2 Lite? It's only doing 4 gigahash per watt, similar to Al0, but they completely removed Al0. There is no more Al0 on their website, so it's gonna be Al2 Lite now. Anyways, that's just a quick news here. I don't recommend investing in any of these miners at this point, but if you're still looking for like Al0, not there, but the price now it's for almost time better, 65 cents, and it was 2.6 cents, so it's almost like 3.5 times, right, better than the price before, which is amazing just in over a month. Delivery again October 15th to 30th, so expected probably in October 30th, where the hash rate gonna increase crazy. So obviously still probably doing better with Al0s today than in the months with the Al2 Lite, because the network hash rate probably gonna triple, and so the rewards will be lower. So right now it's hard to say. Like, let's take a look at Al0. Actually, how crazy the hash rate right now. I mean, a lithium network, not Al0. Yeah, it's already 16, been hovering around 16 petahash. Just over, it's not been the months. Yeah, almost a month since I received. So in the months, we went from 3.3 to 16 petahash, which is crazy. That's like almost 5 times the network hash rate increase, right? Yeah, it's 5 times less profit, so you're gonna make 5 times less on this Asics. So let's just compare, because it's 5 times the same efficiency. We can just go back here and type, let's do for ICE Al0. We'll be getting same efficiency, 5 times more. Yeah, so it will be doing basically $8 a day. $8 a day for a lithium miner. So you're gonna probably get five lithiums. That's interesting, because that's what exactly was the lithium Al0 doing when we purchased those. It was 5 lithium, even around 5 lithium a day, and then by the time it got shipped, it was already 2 or 3.5 actually, 3.5 in end of August, and now end of September we're doing only 1 lithium, right? So crazy. We're probably gonna see similar to Al2 Lite, in my opinion, kind of just guessing there. But again, we never know what's gonna happen there. You guys just be careful with this. Asics right now looks like it's really volatile network now, not just for crypto but for Asics, because you get one, by the October 30th it will be not gonna be making 6 anymore, 6 lithium, right? So I'll be doing not even 6, it's already 5, because the network hash rate have to change there. It's already 15, almost 16 petahash. This one is 1. So yeah, it's already kind of close to 4.29 lithium. Right here, 525 lithium a day, where Al3 doing 39 lithium a day. Yeah, I don't know, guys. Let me know what you think. I think it's it's pretty looking risky, but it's interesting what the new product they're coming up to now. So it's something different, at least to look at, right? So we are looking at completely new design. That's what the only thing I could think of. Like, okay, this is like more of a. Does it look like the Gold Shell Mini, or what do they what do they call them? Yeah, it's just a new. They're going away from their style, my opinion. But really wanna maybe just get for the test just one of these guys. I mean, I don't know if Al2 with the tariffs gonna even make sense, because you're gonna spend 1,500 on this if you pay customs. Probably not worth it. I don't even know if I need this one, but kind of fun. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys on the next one.